This video is the first of many tutorial videos on the Titan SVX ETH servo motor controller and covers the basic overview and features of the Titan. Arcus Servo Motion announces a new generation of Servo 5.0 compatible servo motor controllers called Titan SVX series. Titan SVX ETH has many advanced servo control features and sets the foundation for the Servo 5.0 standard. It supports the special edge analytics and predictive machine learning algorithm called Second Sight to meet the challenges facing the emerging Industry 4.0 and smart factory markets. Titan SVX ETH is a universal servo motor controller that is able to handle most of the commonly used motors in the industry, including two-phase stepper motors, three-phase brushless rotary servo motors, brushless linear servo motors, and voice coil motors. Titan SVX ETH has many advanced servo control features, including automatic motor parameter detection and mechanical tuning routines, ability to run in a pulse mode or a controller mode, multi-thread programming, dynamic gain control, open loop hold for stepper motors for eliminating servo hunting, and force control. Size of the Titan SVX ETH is approximately 115 by 71 by 29 millimeters. Titan SVX ETH is a DC-powered servo controller with input voltage range of 24 to 48 volts DC. It runs with a maximum motor drive current of 8 amps per phase. Titan SVX ETH has a 2-pin power connector and a 4-pin motor connector. Encoder input connection is done through a high-density female D-sub connector. Incremental encoders are supported using the A, B, and Z index channel signals. Both differential and single-ended encoders are supported. Encoder signals also output from the Titan as single-ended signals so that you can use an external controller to count the encoder position. Digital Hall sensor inputs, U, V, W, are also available on the D-sub connector for three-phase rotary and linear brushless servo motors. Additionally, the analog input is available on the D-sub connector with a voltage range of the 0 to 5 volts for various analog input control functions such as a joystick or a speed control application. Digital I/O is accessed through the second high-density female D-sub connector. There are a total of 8 opto-isolated digital inputs and 3 opto-isolated digital outputs. 2 of the 8 digital inputs support high-speed pulse position signals. Some digital I/Os have predefined functions such as limit and home inputs in controller mode, and pulse and direction inputs and in-position and alarm outputs in pulse mode. There are 3 ways to communicate with the Titan: Ethernet, USB, or RS-485. Ethernet communication speed is 100 meg and supports standard TCP/IP communication. USB communication is USB 2.0 compatible and uses a virtual COM port for easy USB setup and auto detection. RS-485 is a multi-drop serial communication with 115K baud rate support. There is one blue indicator light below the Ethernet connector, and an RGB light inside the Titan shown through the window. There are 3 ways to mount the Titan SVX ETH. Mounted flat on the surface using the 2 mounting holes. Mounted vertically using the 2 mounting holes. Or mounted on a DIN rail by attaching an optional DIN rail clip on the back. When mounting the Titan, note that there are exposed surfaces on the mounting tabs for grounding the enclosure to earth ground. Mount the Titan on a good heat-conducting metal surface when mounting flat. When mounting vertically, whether using the 2 mounting tabs or the DIN rail, mount the Titan in a well-ventilated area. In case additional heat sink is needed, 4 mounting holes are available to attach an additional heat sink or a fan to the Titan. For additional information, please check out the other tutorial videos as well as the hardware, software, and communication manuals. Thank you for watching this introduction of the Titan SVX ETH servo motion controller.